Hello and welcome. If you are feeling you're carrying the weight of the world on your shoulders, I'm coming to you with some relief. So let's do an exercise to relieve tension from the shoulders and the neck and the upper body in general. We're going to do it sitting on a chair, but if you prefer you can do it standing. And let's do it. So come and sit on the chair, sit right on your sitting bones, the torso is long, so no leaning back. Your knees and feet are hip distance apart, more or less, wherever it's comfortable. So first of all, just turn to the side and just feel that movement in your spine and your ribs. Nothing special, just sense the movement, the quality of the movement. Is it easy? Is it sticky? Is it hard work? Just notice. Notice how far you can go. Slowly and gently, only go as far as it is comfortable. How does this movement feel for you in your spine, in your ribs, in the neck? Then compare to the other side. This is the movement we do when we cross in the street and we're looking for cars. Is it different to the other side? Very likely it's going to be different. Just notice that. Okay, and then let go. So now bring your attention to your shoulders. Roll the shoulders back and forwards. Back and forwards. Back and forwards. And do that a few times. Breathe in and out. Slow movement. So we're not exercising to build up strength or build up muscles. We're exercising to release tension. So it needs to be slow and with awareness. Feel the movement. Notice how your shoulder joints feel. Take them back, down and forwards, back, down and forwards. Breathe in and out. Okay, let go. Now move the shoulders forwards, down and back. Forwards, down and back. Breathe in and out. Bring a gentle smile to your lips so that you relax the jaw, the facial muscles, but it also has an effect deep in your cellular level. So keep a gentle smile in your lips. Breathe in and out. Back, up and forwards. Okay, and then let go. Now bring the shoulders back and bring the shoulders forwards. Back, squeeze the shoulder blades. Forwards, move the shoulder blades away from each other. Breathe in and out. Back, forwards. Back, forwards. It's important that everything is relaxed and soft, okay? You're not doing extreme effort here, okay? It's all soft and gently. We're not building up muscle, we're releasing tension. Breathe in and out. Okay, let go. Now bring the shoulders up and descend the shoulders towards the hip joint. Up, down. Keep the torso as quiet as possible. So we're not doing this, okay? We're lifting the shoulders and moving them down. So the movement is in the shoulders. Up and down. Up and down, slowly and gently. Up and down. Okay, now move one up and one down. Back to the middle. One up the other one down. So you like walking with the shoulders. Keep the head nicely in the center and quiet. One up, one down, one up, one down. Okay, let go. Take a moment to rest. Now, keep the torso as quiet as possible, the head as quiet as possible for the moment. Bring one shoulder forwards and the other one back. Back to the middle, inhale, exhale, move the shoulders. One back, one forwards. Move with the breath. Keep that gentle smile in your lips. Close your eyes if that feels good. Okay, now we're going to move the head with the shoulders. So we're going to do the same movement with the shoulders back and forth, but we're going to move the head. So as you move one shoulder forwards and the other back, you're going to look over that shoulder that comes forwards. So the chin goes parallel to the floor. So there is no tilt, it's a rotation. Okay, so shoulder forwards, look over, keep the chin parallel to the floor. So don't bring the chin down. Okay, keep it up, parallel to the floor. As the shoulder comes forward, you look over that shoulder. Okay, no tilts, we're not tilting, we're rotating. So don't expect a big movement, because if the shoulder goes forwards, there's not much room for the neck to go that way. Okay, so it's a gentle, it's a small movement. A small, and do it gently. Okay, bring everything to the middle and then to the other side. One goes back, the other goes forward. Chin parallel. Inhale to the middle, exhale. So the tendency here is to tilt, to do all kinds of things. You don't want to do that. You want to just parallel. Chin parallel. It's not easy, do what you can. Do it less so that you can control the movement. Helps you imagining that there's a cord, a string in your crown pulling you towards the sky. So that you keep everything long. Do it with the breath. Relax everything. Keep that gentle smile. Okay, and let go, have a rest. Now you're going to tilt. So we're going to tilt. So now we're not rotating, now we're tilting. Right ear towards the right shoulder towards the right hip. Inhale to the middle, exhale, tilt to the other side. Ear to shoulder, shoulder to hip. Again, don't expect a big movement, there isn't much room for the spine to go that way. You can visualize your spine making this C shape. Exhale as you tilt from side to side. Don't rush the movement. Allow the breath to guide the movement. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. No sharp movements, easy, slow, gentle movements. We release intention, we're not working out. Feel the movement, feel your spine, feel your ribs. As you tilt, this side shrinks, comes smaller. The ribs coming towards each other. On the other side, the ribs are fanning out, lengthening. With the breath, exhale. Breathe only through the nose. Feel the lengthening. Do this for as long as it feels good to you. It's quite a satisfying movement to do. Okay, and let go. Now, you're going to do these movements with the shoulder, one forwards, one back, but this time you look towards the shoulder that goes back. Okay, so there's some movement in the hip joints, in the pelvis, allow that to happen. So you're looking towards the shoulder that goes back. Inhale to the center. Exhale. One knee will move forwards a little bit, allow that to happen. You just look behind. Exhale as you move to the side. Inhale to the center, exhale. Remember to keep your chin parallel. So here we are not tilting, we are rotating. Allow the movement in the hip joints. If you don't allow this movement in the hip joints, in the pelvis, then you are locking the spine, and that's no good, okay? So there is a tiny movement. So the pelvis is doing this, the knees are doing this. Okay, let go, take a moment to rest. Okay, now we're going to move the spine, the ribs, the neck, the shoulders in any way you can, in any way feels good to you, okay? So there is no right or wrong way of doing this. What you want to do is to explore the full range of movement available to you in this position, okay? So imagine your spine like a snake, and you want to do this kind of snake movements with the spine, okay? So do whatever comes natural to you. There's no right or wrong way of doing this, but do it slowly and gently, and feel your spine, feel your ribs, the shoulders, the neck, so everything is involved in this movement. So go around one way, look up, look down, and then you can go around the other way. Keep that gentle smile in your lips, the jaw is loose. Breathe in and out. And just move in a kind of leisure way. and see if you can enjoy this movement. If you go around one way, make sure you do both ways. Breathe in and out, slow and gently. So round the spine, arch the spine. Just allow, close your eyes and just allow your body to tell you what to do. Breathe in and out. Okay. It's nice, isn't it? All right, so let go. You can carry on for as long as it feels good for you. Come back to your sitting bones. That's the end of this exercise. As I said, if you want a longer version, have a look at the link below. So now, just like we did at the very beginning, just turn the whole of the torso as if you're crossing the street and you're looking for cars. How does it feel now? Let me know below how you got on with this exercise. Thank you so much for doing this with me. And if this was good for you, then please give me the thumbs up and share it with your friends. And stay strong, and I'll see you at a next video. Bye bye now.